Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be doing something really exciting, and that is differentiation from first principles. So our question says differentiate x squared from first principles. I'm going to give you the formula right away. Okay, here you go. The formula reads f prime of x equals the limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, where h is not equal to 0. So take note that h must not be 0. We're going to find out the reason soon. Okay, so differentiate x squared from first principles. We're going to be using our formula. Okay, when you look at it, you discover that we need to find f of x plus h, and we also need to know our f of x. Let me write it down so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, we can see that our f of x is x squared from our equation. And now how do we get f of x plus h? Okay, notice that f of x is x squared. So in order to get f of x plus h, it means you go to this equation, and wherever you find x, you replace it by x plus h. F of x is x squared. X has been replaced by x plus h here. So even in the equation, replace x by x plus h, and that is what I have done. So let us go ahead and insert it in our equation. Okay, so here we have x plus h all squared, which has replaced this, minus x squared, which has replaced our f of x, all that divided by h. And from here we get the limit as h tends to 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. That is, we have expanded this. We expand this, and then minus this x squared here, divided by h. Okay, from here we can see that this x squared is going to go with this one. X squared minus x squared will give you 0. So we're going to be left just with 2xh plus h squared, as we can see here, divided by h. So can you notice that we can factor out h from here? If we factor it, is going to be very useful because it's going to cancel out with this one in the denominator. And that is what we want to do. That is what you always want to do when you're differentiating by first principles. You try all possible means to remove this h from here, because if you don't, you may have to divide by 0, since our h is approaching 0, and you don't want to do that because that is going to be undefined. Let us write on. So here we get the limit as h approaches 0 of h into 2x plus h, all that divided by h, and this h is going to go with this one, and we're going to be left with 2x plus h. Now our expression has become beautifully simplified. So at this point we are free to insert our limit, because we no longer have any problems in the denominator, so no divisions by 0. So right away, if we take the limit as h approaches 0, this h here tends to 0 and 2x remains the same. So that we get to our answer, which is 2x. So that is how simple it is to differentiate x squared from first principles. I hope it was useful and helpful. In case you have any worries or any questions, please leave your worries in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.